Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we are going to be taking a look at Crypto.com coin and how strong this company really is right now. You have to take a look at the month of July, see the news stories that broke, see how they interacted with these stories, putting the message out on Twitter and on social media across the world. As crypto is getting more popular, guys, I believe that Crypto.com is poised for massive gains in this next bull run. Let's take a peek at some of the stories for the day and what's going on with Cronos chain developments and the events they got going on and what we can expect in the months ahead for this project, guys. If you like the content, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop right in. So today, the crypto market is slightly down. We are at the end of the month of July, and it's looking like this month might close red, which is interesting. Typically, July is bullish, but right now, Bitcoin is on its way down slightly at $29,300, deciding, are we red or are we going to go slightly green in the month of July? Looking more bearish. Let's see how it pans out. But typically, guys, August and September are bearish. We've been talking about this consistently day in, day out on the channel. As for CRO, what can happen with that? Well, eventually, guys, I'm very bullish. And let's take a peek at the history of Cronos and Crypto.com in July and just some of the recent stories. But as Bitcoin goes down, there's a chance that Cronos goes down. But let's look at those charts here after getting into some of the stories. So first off, Crypto.com is retweeting strategically, which is good to see. CoinDesk, one of the largest crypto publications out there, reported trading venue Crypto.com has been registered by Dutch regulator in the Netherlands, while others such as Binance weren't so lucky. This is a story that is positive for Crypto.com, negative for Binance. Is that going to be good for the Crypto.com exchange? I would say so. Because at the end of the day, how do you get bigger? Well, you have to beat your competition. You have to attract more consumers, more customers than the competition. And stories like this are going to be catalysts for Crypto.com to pass Binance or get closer to Binance in value over time. Now, the one issue they do have is that the Binance chain is much, much bigger than the Cronos chain. But that being said, the Cronos chain is still pretty darn new, only launched in 2021. And looking at the Cronos Twitter, let's see this. They've got events going on as well. Right now, they're at the Seoul Web3 Festival, the hackathon, and they've got speakers coming out and talk about why it's so good to build on Cronos, why this architecture, why this infrastructure is so important. And there's a lot of great things going on where they're trying to incentivize people, some of the smartest people in the world, to start building on Cronos. And as crypto adoption goes into another frenzy mode in this next bull cycle, as the prices start to fly up, I think that marketing-wise, being poised in a successful position, being poised in a spot where you're attending these events and you're promoting the word that, hey, this is easy to build on, this is good to build on, companies that were focusing on that will have some more success than others in the bull market. And so this is why it's so good to see an event like this for Cronos, because the Cronos chain brings a lot of utility to the Cronos token. And it seems every day there's something for Crypto.com to talk about. Now, for example, Crypto.com on the 26th of July, about 6 days ago, tweeted out about Jason Lau, actually, their chief information security officer, being appointed to a board of directors, which was pretty cool. And Chris Marsliak is doing a great job of going now today, a couple days later, bringing the news back up and seeing a well-deserved recognition for someone who tirelessly pushes the industry forward to keep everyone safe around safety, transparency, and compliance. This is all the things that Crypto.com's messaging is trying to put out there, and Crypto.com is committed to the cause, and their social media accounts are working well together right now. This is something that you want to see as a Cronos holder. And when you just type in Crypto.com news on Google, this is something you don't see a lot, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 stories. Read the headlines. Crypto.com registers in the Netherlands, cleared to advertise services. So that's a positive article. Nothing negative about Binance there. But 1, 2, 3, Trump's Binance gains approval after Binance exit. Dutch bank licensed crypto after Binance rejection. Positive for Crypto.com, negative for Binance, guys. This is something that could move the CRO coin up in a big way over time. If we continue to see a narrative like this, this will continue to make me increasingly bullish on CRO and the Cronos chain, guys. Now, right now, CRO versus the US dollar is historically at some low prices right now, at least since some of the previous lows that we've seen in the last 5-6 years or so. But Crow versus Bitcoin is trying to make a comeback right now. Now, our weekly green candle that we got is good for green weeks in a row for Crow versus Bitcoin. But right now, we're starting a little bit red. And I just think that's because Bitcoin's dipping a little bit right now. A couple negative stories and momentum's a little bit slow right now just to kind of end this month and start a new month. But I expect some volatility in a big way coming. Now, whether we spike up for Crow or whether we spike down to just hit a true bottom and then rally up from there, it's hard to say. But I will say historically, guys, altcoins tend to trade together. Solana is still deciding what it wants to do. Binance coin looks like it's trying to make its way up. And generally, it seems like altcoins are trying to find a bottom versus Bitcoin. But we have to be careful because Bitcoin wants to move down. If Bitcoin moves down, alts might move down as well. But it's hard to say whether Bitcoin moves down faster than the alts or we go more traditional and see the altcoins bleed heavy if Bitcoin bleeds. Typically, when Bitcoin bleeds, alts bleed heavier. But maybe some of these stories will help some of these altcoins have more of a rally versus Bitcoin. Altcoins are historically trading pretty strong right now. It's actually very interesting to see the holders of altcoins committed to their cause. That being said, in the bottom of the bear market, Bitcoin fell less than other projects, guys, and that's just a fact. So something to keep in mind, guys. August and September, typically bearish. Be on the lookout. Good to see all these positive news stories. I do believe that crypto.com will be huge in the next bull cycle. These are good stories for us to see as crypto.com holders, where positive for crypto.com, negative for Binance. Of course, I'm bullish on Binance and I'm bullish on crypto.com, but I look at kind of the turtle and the hare situation. In this situation, I believe that crypto.com is the turtle. Binance is the largest. They were first to the market, but now they're having some regulatory issues. Crypto.com took their time, did it right, and they're expanding in a big way and winning where Binance is losing. Very interesting, guys. That's all I got for you on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, DCA HODL. We'll see you in the next one. I got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out, folks. See you next time. Peace.